Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm your loft checker. Today we're visiting an one-floor townhouse with 5 single bedrooms en suite, and it is located around Guting MRT, so very close to NTNU. Or if you go to NTU, you can also consider this townhouse. And let's go check it out. In a very small lane. This is the front door, the gate. Okay, so this is the gate of entrance. When you walk in, this is a one-floor building with 5 rooms, and each room has its own private bathroom. So room A, B, C, and 2 rooms at the back. You can see. So today we're checking room B and C. So this is the mosquito screen. It's a single bedroom with private bathroom. There's a desk and chair and a fridge, a small fridge, and a kettle, and there's a window and Wi-Fi. And here is the single bed. And on our right is the closet. Okay. And right here is the bathroom. It's pretty clean. There's a sink, a mirror, toilet, and shower. Right there is the exhausted fan, shampoo. From this angle to view the room, the tenant just moved away, so the bed sheet is still in the closet. Okay, let's go to the room C. This is room C. It is also a single bedroom with your private bathroom. And so here's a desk and chair. Also hair dryer, kettle, and a window. Oh, right there is the AC, same as room B. And our right is the closet. Okay, and 2 drawers down here. And there is the fridge and a little fan and a lamp. Let's check out the bathroom. Okay, looks fine. Toilet, perfect, and shower. Oh, and here's a hanging where you can hang your clothes. And right there is the exhausting fan. Okay. From this angle of the room, Yeah, and right there is the washing machine, the washer. It's pretty clean inside. And here is the laundry area. Okay.